Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a proxy in the Shadowrocket app on your iOS device. Let's get started. Launch the Shadowrocket app on your device. Tap on Add Server in the application. A window will appear where you can choose the protocol type for your proxies. Once you've selected the protocol, you will be prompted to enter your proxy details. In the first field, enter the IP address, and in the second field, enter the port number of your proxy. If you are using free proxies, no additional settings are required. However, if you have a personal proxy, you can enter the username and password in the designated fields below. Once all the information is entered, tap on Done in the upper right corner. To activate the proxy in Shadowrocket, enable the toggle switch for the configured proxy from the top. Next, tap on Connectivity to verify if the proxy is working correctly. If the proxy and geodata are displayed below, it indicates that the proxy is operational and ready to use in the Shadowrocket. That's it. You can now use the specified proxy in the Shadowrocket application. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on the network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.